Hi, I'm Miranda Cichy. I'm a PhD student at the University of Glasgow's Dumfries campus. My research is concerned with bird extinction and how museum collections can be used to tell extinction narratives. I finished my master's in 2016 and I applied to the University of Glasgow because I wanted to work with a specific supervisor. My initial proposal was slightly different and I didn't get funding. This felt like a huge setback, but it actually gave me time to hone my proposal by reading around the field and by talking to other students and also my prospective supervisor, who was a great help. I'd really recommend trying to find a supervisory team whose research interests you and who you think you'll enjoy working with for a few years, because they can be fundamental to how the PhD is shaped. I ended up altering my proposal slightly, applying to a different funding body, and I was successful and began my PhD in 2018. I found the first semester quite hard. The Dumfries campus is very beautiful but quite small, and my PhD, like many others, is very specific, so I initially felt lonely in my research. I'd say what helped was going to conferences, going to reading groups, meeting other students working on similar topics, and also getting into a routine. One of the huge benefits of the Dumfries campus is that we have our own offices shared with one or two others. And although our research varies, there is commonality, and we have a regular seminar series and other opportunities in which to share that. My research has also changed during study. One of my supervisors was the zoology curator at the Hunterian Museum, which gave me incredible access to the museum collections, and I realised that I wanted to work with those more than I had initially planned. Using my research budget, I was really enjoying working with those and visiting other UK museums, and then the COVID pandemic hit in 2020. I struggled with working from home, but one benefit was that a lot of conferences and reading groups went online and have stayed that way, giving greater access. And then in 2021, things changed again as I went on maternity leave for a year. And when I returned, I came back as a part-time student in order to manage childcare. But my supervisor and my director of studies have been really supportive about all these changes that have happened throughout my PhD.